guys, I'm Shahzad, and today we are going to install ICE on our VMware Workstation. And guys who is new and they don't have any idea about the ICE. ICE is a Identity Service Engine developed by Cisco. Mostly the guys who are related in the field with cybersecurity, they know how to use it and what is beneficially this one to the corporate sector and on the critical sites. So today we are going to install ICE server on VMware Workstation 16. I have installed in my computer. So if I show you guys, this is my 16 VMware Workstation, and the guys who have already account in the Cisco, they can download trial version. Just type in the Google ICE download. If you have a VM direct want to download a OVF file which is already built in a virtual machine, you don't have any choice to changes in the machine, but you can install direct deploy on your VMware Workstation or esxi servers. But if you want to use a trial version, I will recommend just download the ISO files. I already have ISO file in my computer, so we will use that. First of all, I would like you to just walk through the network settings. I'm using this my laptop. It's have enough sources to accommodate this machine. So we will use the VMware Workstation 1. We will use this computer, my laptop. I will use for browse and for the ICE in my I will use the browsers. So how I can reach to the my virtual machine inside, I will just want you to just go through this one. So if you see in your virtual network editors, we have too many networks here. So if I click on change settings, I want to show you, because my this laptop and my Wi-Fi, I will show you, sorry, not this one, I will show you. My LAN card is connected with see, this one is bridged with my VMware 1 NIC. So I will show you which one is that. I will minimize and we will open. Keep still running. Yeah, okay. So if you see, my wireless is bridged with VMnet 1. See, my wireless card is bridged with VMnet 1. So any virtual machine here which you have created, if you bridge with your wireless or with your LAN card which is connected to your network, you can access that virtual machine from your host machine, from your laptop. Okay, so we will use VMnet 1. So I will just close and we will go in the files and we will go new virtual machine, and in the new virtual machine we'll select typical, no issues, next. Here we will choose our installation disk. I already have in my softwares. I'll go to reloadable softwares and then my ICE. I have this version, so you can go and download the latest one, which is 2.7 something is going on. So I will select okay, next. So I will choose Linux, and you have to choose Red Hat 7. I'm gonna use 64-bit. Okay, click next, and here we will say ICE. And this is by the way the location of virtual machine. I don't have enough space in my C drive. If you see this computer, my C is only 21, and on D drive I have enough space. So minimum there is a requirement for 8 GB, and for trial and you can use it, there is a minimum 100 GB you must give to the machine. Anyway, we'll use this one. On the D drive I already have created one folder, so we will go into that folder, select to install there. So we will go VMware virtual machines. Here we go. I have ICE folder, server 1. Okay, so selected, next. Here is the, I will go for 100, and split virtual disk into multiple files. It will increase your performance, or you want to do one, it's up to you. Both will work, but better to go with the multiple files. We'll go next. Sorry, I will go to customize hardware. Then here processors, we will use 2 and 2. I have total 4 8 core in my laptop, so I will choose my network adapter to custom and will use VMnet1 pingable to my laptop. And then another thing, we will increase the memory to up to 8 GB. Okay, we change up to 8 GB. We have increased our CPUs. We given a change our VMnet network, and then we will go for the next close. Okay, after close it will start installation. Okay, and finish. Okay, we are here, the new drive is here. Let's click power on the machine. Okay, see, so we will install option 1, Cisco ISE installation. Okay, so it will start installation. So better monitor your laptop. CPU running on 64%, 41, and memory is 44, not too much. Meanwhile, this is in the progress, so I will check my laptop IP. So we will give the same range 192. Sorry, we'll check first IP config. So our wireless, my laptop IP is 18.30. So I'll go 192.168.18.100. See, the 100 is not working. We can use this one, or we can go for 55. I like the 55 number. Okay, so we will use 55 in our ISE, the IP address. So then we can ping. Okay, I will pause my video until it's finishing installing these files and packages. So when it's done, I'll be back. Okay guys, it's very simple. Okay, it's done. Here we will just type setup, enter, and it's asking for host name. We'll say ICE SRV1, enter, and asking IP address 192.168. sorry, my numlock is not working. 192.168.18.55 as we have. Okay, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. gateway we can give 18.1. if there is a domain name you can give like homelab.com. like I am having this one on my home lab, but we are just giving this one because that is turned off. Here is the DC one, if you can see. Enter. Okay, enter primary naming server, your DNS you can say. Okay, I will put just temporary. Add a secondary, no. Okay, NTP server you want, another another NTB, no. Time zone, no. If you have, you can do it. SSH we can enable. Enter username. Simple is we are using admin. Password, what is saying, at least one uppercase. Okay. We have given the IP address, the password, everything is done. Now we will see if it is bringing our interface up. So I will start pinging my 55 from my laptop. I'll put continuous. See, we can reach. Okay, so here we go, we can reach. So this is the simple. Now I will open into my try to open into the web browser. Let's see after this one finishing. It's still initializing our IP address, networks and other things. So I will wait for that and then I will show you the interface. Let's check in our CPU is 49%, 34%, 83% is our memory because ICE is using more. Okay, so it's installing applications, initializing setup for application ICE, and we are still being able from our laptop. Make sure what I told you about the VMware network adapter, just make sure that you are follow the steps and you connected the correct one with your VMnet with this machine, so it will be headache free, reachable. These are the ICE applications. It will initialize. If we try to open the browser, let's see what it's saying. 192.168.18.55. Enter. As we can ping, see, still not. As we have enabled the SSH, so we can do HTTPS. Enter. Not yet because the still it's initializing. You have to wait on this point. See, it's 18.55, 18.55. We'll keep refreshing. Just wait. See, still the initializing setup for applications. We have to wait. Until it will take a little time, so I will just pause my video and I'll come back after when it's done. See, after setup it will take a little more time running. Now it's making the database, starting ICE database. It will start applications, and when it's completed it will give us CLI again, and then we will do again our refresh from here. So interface will be here. Still not ready, we have to wait. Okay guys, it's completed, and after completion it will come here like this with our host name ICE server 1, which we have given during the setup. So I just did refresh and is giving us like SSH prompt, sorry, HTTPS. So we will go advanced. I'm using the Google Chrome. We'll click proceed. Okay, here we go. This is our interface for Cisco Identity Services Engine. So same, we'll give password which we have given, login. So here is your dashboard. So Cisco ISE has been installed. Okay, next. Adobe Flash Player license, accept and close. Okay, see, we have, if we have any devices, it will show us here. If we go in administration, you can see the identities. If you have some identities, you can add. Okay, so this is the Cisco ISE installation we just saw. It's very easy, very simple, and follow my steps. You will have this with you, so you can do practice at home. So you can add your networks. So later on we will add our GNS3 switches into this ISE. So I will let you know then. So till then, I would like to go. I will say, if you are new on my channel, just subscribe and click the bell icon, so you will get the notification for the upcoming videos. So till now, take care. If you like my video, just thumbs up, and take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos. I would like to give you just a quick introduction about my channel, what we have in this channel. If you go into the videos, you can find a lot of videos which is in English and which is in Hindi, Urdu. It's a mix, so you can find a lot of videos there: how to install Security Onion, Witness Server, or how to install Always On configuration. There is labs also, and also there is a full course. If you go in the playlist, you will find a full courses regarding the SQL administration and network basics, data center designs, and server administrations. Even you have a lot of videos like virtualization. It's about the VMware and FreeNAS and Windows Server 2012 administration, Python, and CCNA routing switching is in a Hindi course, and it's almost 29 videos. And then CCNP security and CCNP routing switching, CCNP T-shoot, CCNP switching, CCNA security, C#. A lot of videos related to IT guys who want to get a job in IT. You will find a lot of good videos in my playlist. So just visit and see the courses, and you will learn free. So I'm making the videos regarding different technologies like server, storage, and cybersecurity, and regarding the networkings. So in cybersecurity, you will find a lot of videos regarding NASes, Kali Linux, and Security Onion, a popular tool. So okay guys, I hope you will enjoy my videos. Just visit and find the appropriate lecture which is in your interest. So you will find really good videos, and see WSS monitoring, a lot of videos about the Microsoft servers and other stuff. So it's a good channel for the guys who want to do job in IT field. And there is a lot of videos on this channel, around 500 videos I have in this channel. So you guys can go and learn about the different technologies. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.